The day has finally come. The day has finally come. No. Yeah. The day has finally come. Guys. After, oh my gosh. I'm speechless. After months and months of grinding, after months of trying to figure it out and seeing no results and having doubt in my head and feeling dumb and never seeing results. I finally did it. I got my first sale. I got my first sale. I got it. Look. This was yesterday's statistics. One order, baby. One fucking order. I want to thank you guys for watching this journey, for sticking with it, following me through without a doubt, believing in me. It sounds like I'm retiring from one order, but man, do you understand? They always say, like, the first results, you always feel the best. This feels better than the 1,000 sale. 10,000 sales. I'm sure it does. I felt the same way with my YouTube when I reached 1,000 subscribers. Do you understand that it destroys a limiting belief in my head? Now, for an example, right? My YouTube especially, because I've been doing YouTube since I was like 10. I was doing YouTube for almost 10 years. Yeah, I was on and off, but I started editing videos since I was 10. And that 1,000 subscriber number on my screen seemed like a dream. It seemed like impossible to hit. It seemed impossible. And when I finally hit it, it was just like, what? Like, you know, like, it's like this number on my screen, this goal that I've been trying to achieve for years, that seemed just a dream. It just seemed so in the distance. It didn't seem real. Is finally here. And now, in similar aspects, this happened. Again, an order that just seemed impossible. I built over 6 stores and not one sale. It just seemed impossible to me. And I just kept trying. I kept sticking to my guns. And even though after not seeing results, I just kept pushing, and it finally came. Like, I've seen an order on my screen for myself, but this, knowing that it's from someone else. It was crazy. I remember, this is the day after I got it. The first sale came yesterday. And for some reason, you know, with this trip to Vancouver that I did, I really thought I would have got it. You know, not only was I super confident in the store that I built, the product, the brand, I just truly believe that the working outside my home, my own personal environment, my desk, my office, and traveling while working, I thought it would, you know, shatter limiting belief, and it would get me my first sale. I truly believed it. And funny enough, after the whole trip, after 10 days, I got nothing. Well, I only published the ads 3 days ago, but still, the whole trip, nothing, whatever. Published the ads on Monday, nothing. Going on the ride home on the plane with no service. to finally unlock my phone to have service and get that notification that I got a sale. You can see in the video that I showed before that I was trying to hide my excitement in the middle of a plane. I was trying to not fucking yell, saying like, guys, I got my fucking sale, my first sale. If I was home, I would have fucking screamed. What a feeling. Again, I know it's just one sale. I know that. I'm truly aware of that. I'm trying to obviously humble myself. But this is just an example. Like, you know, the whole point of this channel, right, is to document my journey and to destroy limiting beliefs in myself, but also in you watching right now. That it's possible. If you do the work, if you're smart, diligent, and you persevere with all the failure, and you push through, and you destroy all the doubt that other people have, it is possible. I did it. I'm no one special compared to you. I'm not smarter. I'm not talently gifted. I'm just some regular guy like you who just has a dream, who just has a desire to be someone important, someone special, someone successful, to provide value to the world, and to provide value to my circle and my family, my people that I love. But it's just possible. That's all I want you to get out of this. It's just possible. It is possible. Please just you're not alone. You're really not alone. Just please keep pushing. I promise you. If you're that type of person to just never give up, if you're that type of person to believe that you're gonna do it no matter what, doesn't matter if it takes a month or a year or 5 years, that you're gonna eventually do it, it is possible. And I'm so happy to share this with you, because it is words cannot express it. Now look, I haven't really looked at the Facebook analytics, the ads, I really haven't looked at that. I will analyze it tomorrow, and I will talk about it in tomorrow's video. I don't know if I'm gonna scale. I'm definitely gonna look into someone to help me post the ads, because I don't think I'm very good with the Facebook ads, and I really would like to take this seriously and pay for someone to do it for me that, you know, has experience. But man, it's possible. Guys, I'm telling you, it is crazy. Let's just enjoy the moment. Now I gotta go to school. Fuck no, do I feel like it. But I'm almost there. The life, the vision that God has given me through my own thoughts, starting to unfold. And when I tell you that feeling is the best feeling in the world, when everything you've worked for, everything you visioned, is just starting to work. Anyways, guys, just believe in yourself. It's doable. It works. It's true. With that mentality, I'll see you at the top.